National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for southern Gaston County in North Carolina, central Mecklenburg County in North Carolina, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m., storm spotters were tracking a tornado on the ground.
The big issue with this line of storms, it's been the gusty, damaging winds that we've been watching with this line.
As you can see, it is pouring down. I can't really get my phone to focus right now and drive and all that good stuff at the same time. But would be the third week update. It's been raining, it's muddy from all the road construction and everything. So I figured that I would do this while I'm out, just to show you that it is indeed raining. I am indeed driving, and we'll see how it's holding up. This has been some really crazy weather that I'm driving into. If you look way down there, you can see the flashing light. Cops. There's been power lines, flooding, and everything else on the way home today. It has been absolutely crazy.